This case study presents a simple yet practical network designed for two computer laboratories, aimed at supporting basic interconnectivity, file sharing, and communication between computers across the labs. Laboratory 1 consists of 8 computers, while Laboratory 2 consists of 10 computers. The network is designed using a combination of switches and a router to enable reliable local and inter-laboratory communication. Here in the physical, Lab 1 we have 8 PC, and in Lab 2 we have 10 PC. And in Lab 1, the PC1 has an IP address of 192.168.1.10. Then the following PC will only be increased by 1 at the end. The same in Lab 2. Then the gateway we use in switch 1 is 192.168.1.1. Then in switch 2 it is 192.168.2.1.
We're using star topology per lab. Each lab has a switch connected to a central router, and routers link multiple labs together. And also, in router use, enables communication between different VLANs, supporting things like file sharing and gaming between labs.
Communication between PC in different labs. Let's say PC1 in Lab 1 wants to connect to PC10 in Lab 2. Steps PC1 checks if destination IP 192.168.2.1 within subnet. So it forwards packet its default gateway, which is router at 192.168.1.1. And the step 2 is the router received the packet, checks the destination of subnet, which is 192.168.2.1. It forwards into Lab 2 switch. The step 3 is the switch in Lab 2 forwards the packet to PC10 using MAC address information. So the step 4, PC10 received the packet and respond back in the same path in reverse. Babalik sa pinanggalingan niya, which is yung PC1.
Its switch. It's connect to the router. For more in the stack topology per lab, and the router to router interconnect between labs. Using the router allowed the VLAN communication useful the scale to within VLANs later. This setup supports the file sharing network, gaming, and administrative access between labs.
The setup allows a computer in one lab to connect to any computer in the other lab through the router, ensuring data flows smoothly between subnets. This design highlights essential networking concepts such as subnetting, switching, and routing, key components of any scalable and secure local area network. Overall, this simple yet effective configuration provides a strong foundation for future expansion, integration of servers or printers, and support for collaborative activities across multiple computer labs.